Right, I want to welcome everyone, especially to today's live trading session. I've been trying to come up live since 1 o'clock as the usual time, but I was trying to fix one or two things before I'm able to come up live. All right, so quickly, I'm gonna share the links as usual to the free channel and the VIP channel on WhatsApp. Then also, I would like you to share the links also to your contacts. Let them know that we're live. Let them know we're live, and all the categories of traders that can connect to these lives are pro traders, newbies, aspiring traders. As many of them that you know. I took a quick scalp, so I just want to close it before, because price is not really going in the direction I expected, and that's why I didn't bother posting it on. I didn't bother posting it on the group because it's just a few bucks, 1% profit. That's not. Okay, so now I'm sharing out the links. All right, sharing out the links to one of my contacts. You too can share it out to anybody you wish to be part of this live. If a person is new into trading, share it. If the person is a pro trader, share it. If the person is an aspiring trader, that's someone who wants to learn trading, share it. If the person has perfected his skill, share it. If the person is yet to perfect his skill, share it. Just share the links to everyone. It's open to everyone. And I trust that you will be able to receive value. So in case you are looking for the link, I just dropped it now on the free channel. Currently forwarding it to my status and to the VIP channel. So for those of you that have my contact, you see it on my status. For those of you on the VIP, you would have received it by now. Alright, I haven't done that. I'm going to quickly now share my screen for you to be able to see what I am discussing with you today. Alright, so my entire screen is being shared and it's been added. So there's no challenge of you not seeing what. Okay, you see this is a quick scalp, especially the fact that the TP is too close. So I took partial profit at this, yeah, half of the supposed targeted profits. So now quickly let's analyze. All right, so the dollar index is bullish, GBUSD is bullish. That's a very indecisive market. So for those of you that have been wondering why I've not posted anything, this is the reason. So this apparently has been mitigated. Then I'm seeing a zone here. See something like this. Okay, so um you can see what the dollar index is doing. So it's bearish on the internal range, but on the external range is bullish. So such markets is a little bit indecisive to predict. But so that means, and this is the kind of market where you find Some people are bullish, some people are bearish at the same time, and the both parties are correct. Okay, because I can buy the dollar index now, meaning I'm going to sell GU, EU, and the rest of other pairs that I trade directly proportional to the dollar index, and I will still be correct. And then I can sell them when I have a bearish confirmation, because the dollar index looks like it's going to be correcting bearish. Why? Because there is a massive imbalance here, as you can see. So it may correct bearish, even though it might still continue bullish. So in that case, if I have a bearish confirmation, I can find an entry there. So with that, I will let you know that there is no entry currently. The only bearish entry, which is this, which I should have posted, is just supposed to come here, and that is just about how many pips now? It's not one of the risk for me. 12 pips. Okay, and you're risking 6 pips. So, though it's a good risk to reward ratio, but it is too short for a day trader that's scalping. Okay, that's 1 minute trade. So now we're gonna go straight to the GPY basket. Stay active on all the channels. Stay active on the VIP channel. Stay active on the free channel. When there is something more tangible, I would update us and let us know what is expected of us. But until then, just like I said, stay active. So quickly, this is the Japanese yen basket, and this is it. Massive imbalance here. I expect it to correct bullish, okay, but I'm going to expect a shift in market structure for that to happen. But until then, it's going to keep on, going bearish internally. So because of that, I was anticipating a buy on this. So let's ask AI if we can go in. So I've been here. I think price has done what the AI expected. But the Japanese yen basket is a little bit indecisive, because on the bullish overall from the high time frame, it looks bullish. It's only bearish on the internal range, and that on its own is an indecisive market. So as a professional trader, this where markets is very precise. You know exactly what to do with the markets, and you make much profit. And then you come into a certain week where the market is skippy, and you're not able to spot your A setups, but you really want to trade. And then you lose all that you made in the previous week in this particular week, and you're not making any progress. You're not making any progress. So I'm sure you're seeing my screen. I'm just trying to get a clear psychology on this. Okay, so let's see the AI's perspective on the psychology. Based on all the analysis, GPY basket has fulfilled all the necessary criteria. Okay, so it's supposed to be an entry, but just to get a few of the AI's perspective, though that's an aggressive. Okay, so it says I will not approve a full size entry, no full entry. If you want to go aggressive, you can go half a risk. Okay, so it says bottom line, no, not yet for full position. All right, so I think on the 15 minutes time frame, there's a candle he wants to print, I think around this side. So, but for the 5 minutes, let's see what his opinion is. That way we can be able to now finally finalize all that. All right, so on the 5 minutes time frame, it says 15 minutes is not yet decided. So you said wait or go in partially. So I would personally prefer to wait. Okay, I don't want to make small money. I want to make big money. So I prefer to go big on that. So you can see what I mean by when the market is on the 4 hour, which is the overall trend, you can see it's bullish. Can you see overall trend is bullish because of this long bullish candle. But if you look at the 15 minutes, can you see is bearish internally. It's a shifted structure to the downside. So for you to be able to buy this market, you have to wait for a strong bullish confirmation. Why? Because the Japanese yen basket, which is part of our criteria for entry, is bullish. Can you see? It's bullish internally. But on the external side here, it's bearish. So that's just the only thing there. So though we're going to buy soon, so stay active. I'm going to update you when we're going to buy. I'm going to buy quickly to this point, and then we're going to catch a pretty 68 pips, risking about 20 pips. So that's a pretty 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. So for that, we'll just go straight to gold. I saw a good move. I don't know how I missed it. So now this was what I was anticipating on gold. This was just as the market opens. So I'm expecting gold to correct on a bullish entry. Okay, so but I haven't gotten it yet. So this is the shift in market structure to the upside. Then I think gold can buy. I think gold can buy. So but to get the right timing, that's what I do with the AI. Let me do something quickly. I think gold can buy. So but I don't want to go in again just with my final decision, especially because the market is a little bit tricky this period. So most times I like to get go. I like to get the AI's final decision analysis. So even though I've done my own personal analysis, I'd like to know what the AI thinks we should do on this. So quickly, let's just so that's for the technical. So AI also needs some fundamentals. So you can see that AI is not as smart as you have. It's only privileged to have um, it is only privileged to have a mechanical storage system where it can be able to store information that your brain might not be able to store. So that also helps it to be more precise. So let's tell him what the fundamentals for the market is currently so that he can gather all his informations and then analyze the market accurately. So I'm going to snap the first one again. First one did not quite load as supposed. That's this. All right, so please don't get bored that I'm doing this because this is a live class. I'm only doing it because this might just give us an entry while we're live, which will favor you. Okay, so that's what I'm doing it. So for the 15 minutes time frame, I think we have a bullish confirmation, as you can see. So, but the 5 minutes final confirmation based on my strategy is what needs to be confirmed first. So now Google already is AI is already trained on what's happening currently in the forex markets. Okay, so with that now we're gonna ask them, should we go in now? He will not tell us exactly when to go in. So let's do entries first. So once we see his entry, then we can now know if we are going in now. Okay, so this is good. This is AI's entries. So they said rejection. So he's seeing what I'm saying. He's seeing what I'm saying. So he's saying we should buy. Let me see his final verdict. Can we enter now? Based on the strategy and chart that you have shared, I would not enter immediately. Okay. But it has not yet broken. Price has made a low. Buyers defended the supports. Blah, blah, blah. So when should we buy? Break above the recent intraday swing high. Buy now, no. Wait for confirmation. Yes. So it says only if the next few 5 minutes candles continues to hold above 5008. Sorry, 4008. So let's mark that. So if we have a bullish hold on if we have a bullish hold on this, you can see, of which you can see the price is struggling. So if there's a bullish hold on that, then we will buy. So it's almost time, but it's not time. So you see the advantage of AI. So my brain tells me it's time to go, but my brain is limited to factors. A lot is going on in the US currently that can affect the price. A lot is going on in different countries that can affect the price. It is the AI that is able to gather all those information, tell you exactly where to go. So that'll be all good. Let's go straight to Bitcoin. So we got this. I got this move of Bitcoin, though it moved at a very odd time. So I only just bought shortly and well, I made about 2%, 3% profit on this. I didn't share on the community. And then Bitcoin kept struggling. Okay, I think I shared the Ethereum, and the Ethereum struggled. So for me, I will not do anything on Bitcoin right now. Like it's still struggling. So this was the Ethereum I shared. Funny enough, it's close to TP already. This was what I shared on the group. So it's kept on doing this. Then I asked us to exit at around here. But look at I held in one of our accounts. I exited in another account. That account could risk more, so I left it. And it got here. I think I closed around here, waiting to go in again and look at what it's doing. So it's testing intelligence and patience. You can see go so close to the take profit. So that means the analysis will be correct. So but we're going to wait. I think there's going to be another entry. It's supposed to be a bullish market, but it's struggling. Then GPCHF, I don't know how we missed this. This could have been a good entry, but notwithstanding, we're going to catch another one. So expect price to return to here. Once price returns here, then we'll go sniper. So stay active. I'm going to update you on this CHF, GBP We're going to cut that move. So then, which one again? Okay, US 30 did what we anticipated last week. We did it during news time, all time to trade. So I didn't take it. So it just shows that our analysis was correct. Looks bearish. I'll look for bearish entries. If I get any, I'll let you know when to go in. I think finally stocks. Okay, I discussed gold with you instead of silver because my eyes is on gold. So this didn't play as expected. Stocks is currently going bearish. It's not a good time to sell because this is a demand. I don't see any demand soon. So I'll prefer to wait. I haven't passed that. I'll look at silver. So silver should be doing exactly what gold is doing. You see, but on the 4 hour, the trend is bearish. So because of that, I'll wait as well. So that'll be on Forex, gold, CFDs, commodities, and cryptos. So let's look at synthetic. So for synthetic, first we'll start with jump. Sorry, volatility 25. We'll increase. It's currently retracing back to buy. So stay active when it starts buying. I'll let you know. Then jump 25. Let's see if it's bearish. Alright, so jump 25 minutes. It looks bullish, but I'm supposed to be selling based on the trend. Otherwise, I'll be counter trending if I go by. So I won't do anything on that. So that'll be all on today's live trading session. So I hope you learned something. I hope you were able to get value. And remember, stay active because most of those few confirmations that I need to gain in any of the trades, I might get it anytime soon. I'll be going in for the trade. So I will post updates on the group. So it's only when you're active you can be able to get that. Don't forget to share this video to anyone that think may need it for the new week. See you during the update on the group.